the sound of reason reaches the heart of the man, set in line. The sound that follows the lightning is not the sound of lightning. The light is the sound of lightning. Would we not be incessantly bombarded with the sound of the sun? Or is the sound too far away? If high-frequency sound is light, our language is in the way. This exquisite corpse is to bring light to the doomsday. That we may take what we learn and adapt what we strive for, embed it as our own, within our own. No one may borrow this, an experience full. But the template is what we are searching for. An experience full. But the template is what we are searching for. Fire keeps matter sealed. You can keep anything within a wall of fire. Even fire, if you got it trained. They never put a man of sound reason on the front line. War turns back on its orchestrators.